Dear scholars, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to share with you the syllabus for UG second semester major minor course History, University of Kashmir. The syllabus is same for major and minor course History. HST 222J History, Medieval India, Medieval Indian History, Medieval Kashmir History. Credit is 4 theory, 2 tutorial. Objectives or expected learning outcomes. Let us discuss the theory portion, which contains 4 credits. In unit first, we have number first an overview of foundation and expansion of Sultanate, Delhi Sultanate. Number second is central and provincial administration during this Delhi Sultanate. Number third, main teachings of Sufi Bhakti tradition. And in unit second, you have number first, foundation and consolidation of Mughal Empire. Number second, central and provincial administration during Mughal Empire. Number third is Maratha administration under Shivaji. In unit third, you have number first, agrarian economy under Sultans. Number second, agrarian reforms under Akbar. Akbar, Mughal ruler, Sultan's Delhi Sultanate. Number third is features of architecture under Sultans and Mughals. In unit 4, you have to study number first, foundation and consolidation of Sultanate in Kashmir. Number second, contribution of Zain-ul-Abidin. Number third is emergence of Islam. Role of Sufis and Rishis in the emergence of Islam in Kashmir. Number 4 is changes in economy during Mughals in Kashmir. Number 4 is an appraisal of Afghan and Sikh rule in Kashmir. Now, tutorial 2 credits, unit 5th, tutorial 1, guided tour and report writing on any prominent monument of medieval Kashmir. Unit 6, tutorial 2nd, essay on any one of the following: A. Medieval craft, B. Heritage product, C. Primary source of history. Suggested readings: Kashmir under Mughals 1586 to 1752 by Majid Matu, New Delhi. So this was all regarding the syllabus for BG second semester major and minor course history. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe.